Hello guys, this is Oxtech. Was installing CCTV camera and I just found an issue with flickering black nine line problem in the CCTV camera. You can see out here. This one and yes, this one like this black line. So what I have did is I just open CCTV tool and go to the Vision website. Login and you can see the line. What you need to do is go to configuration. After that, image, after that explorer setting, anti-bending. It right now it is off. You need to turn on and boom, you can see the magic. And let's see up there. Yes, this is the one, guys. Now line is gone. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please do like, share, subscribe and wait for next video. Thank you guys.